Time travel. Is it possible? The answer is yes. We almost already are traveling in time, but it is limited to human brain second by second. The time is invisible, you can't see it by your eyes. If you are in love with someone and when you are alone, hardly you will feel that the time is not passing, you will feel the time in seconds. You would say the time is not going on, right? But if you hold your hands together, you would say that you do not have enough time. Moreover, if you are free and not doing anything, any work, hardly you will feel that the time is not passing. You will feel the time in seconds. You would say the time is not going on, right? You won't feel the time if you were immersed with some interesting work. You would say that you do not have enough time. So, now you are traveling on time to the future slowly when you are not working, and fastly to some extent according to your interest on work. You can also travel to the past events actually which was occurred to you through your memories. Now the big question is, how can you do time travel physically? That is traveling to past or future with your physical body. Theoretical science says it is possible to travel to past and future if you can travel with a speed more than the speed of light, that is 3 lakh km per second. By logically thinking, you have two options. The first option is you should increase your speed to reach the speed of light. Second option is you should have the key to operate the time. First we will discuss about the first option. According to the present science scenario, you cannot travel in speed of light with your physical body. The most interesting fact is if you want to capture the speed of light, you have to feel a second span of time for at most 9.5 years. Got it? You should be there, stay there. You should not cross and feel a second for 9.5 years. If you are able to do it, at the time also you can see the light is passing 1 meter distance in a fraction of a second. According to science, there is more such powers than light, which can suck the light inside them, called black holes. Some hypotheses have been made. There may be all the time segment be stored inside the black holes. If you can enter into the black holes, you can go to the year which you want to go, which is in the form of fourth dimension. These are all just imaginary points about mysteries. It is not experimentally proved till now. In my point of view, if you want to prove it physically, you are losing some real time. You can't make the time travel with physical bodies using current technology. The second option, you should have the key to operate the time. The key is our brain and feelings. No predictions are 100% true about future. Something is happening by fluke. But in the past history, we could hear some myths and magics. The ancient Tamil history says some interesting facts about reshaping and resizing our physical body. In ancient Tamil history, it would be seen you can convert and minimize your physical body up to the size of atom or more, even smaller one. This kind of yoga is called anima in Tamil mythical history. Science also tells us we can travel with some unimaginable speed with our physical body. In ancient history of Tamil, called Bogar, who is also called a Siddhar in Tamil language, had traveled through airways with his yoga practices. He could be present in different places at the same time. You can find this remarkable history in Lord Muruga Temple, Palani, which is located in Tamil Nadu, India. What science says today about the time travel, you need a massless body such as atoms or energy pockets, that is quantums, to reach the speed of light or more. It has been told in Tamil Siddhar's history more than several years ago. In my point of view, I request the world scientists to refer and use some historical sciences with present knowledge of science and technology to make the time travel possible. Thank you.